Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap French Valley local and long distance movers near me. When you need to move 100 miles to the next state over or 2,500 miles across the country, you need a long distance moving company. Our team offers the right options for your specific type of move. We provide you with a team ready to do the heavy lifting for you. Along with basic moving service, we offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you hire a local California moving company, you get a team ready to help you move faster and easier. You don't have to do any heavy lifting or spend time getting family or friends to help you. Instead of spending an entire week or longer packing and moving, let us help make your move faster. 3 Movers offers the right moving options for your local move. We streamline the entire process to save you time. Our team can get a move that would take you several days to complete done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our French Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.